Just pay my bill, I have a good for can work a kill it up. Remember that?
So I noticed you have your company registration up there, sir. Hey fam, welcome back to another rochielin video. Today, I'm gonna be going through a day in the life of yet another Jamaican entrepreneur. And this one is a familiar face, it's Raquel. Hey. You guys have seen her so many times on the channel before. She runs a little, what do you call it now? Like a pastry, deli,
ice cream parlor
shop here in what we would consider to be a Jamaican ghetto. She's like the hot thing here. So we're gonna go through a day in the life with her, see how she runs her thing, talk a little bit with her, and of course get some inspiration, because no matter how small the operation is, if you put love in it and drive in it, you can definitely make something of it. And that's what Raquel has been doing, so we're gonna explore. So remember, if that's something you're interested in, remember to like, comment, share, definitely subscribe to the channel, and just keep watching. Follow me rochielin on all my social media pages, which is Instagram and Twitter. And without further ado, we're gonna say let's go.
Let's go.
How about that?
Let's go.
So we're in the kitchen, not cooking fried chicken. Now Raquel has this little small operation where, as I said before, she does ice cream, she does burgers, she does all kind of things. So
I'm making a panini.
She's making a panini. So somebody out on the front just ordered, and you know who comes so fast to see how it's done. It's not a big place, you know, so she make do of a little place that she have. A nice little tight space, but she make it work. Yeah. Alright. So this is a chicken?
Chicken ham panini.
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna grab my next camera.
Alright. So this is my sub bread. And I bought them in Mega Mart.
Alright. Big up you.
Yeah.
So do you get a lot of persons coming and ordering paninis?
Sometimes it depends. Sometimes it's burger days. Sometimes you have panini days.
Okay.
Which panini go more, burger goes more another day. And another day is nuggets and fries.
Okay. So this shop here have all kind of different mixed snacks. There's no one thing. I remember some time ago we were talking, you said we were gonna do like more of a breakfast menu with eggs and stuff like that.
Yes, eggs and bacon, but it wasn't going that fast, so
yeah.
It depends. If somebody orders, then yes.
But if not,
that's it. Yeah, I just work with panini and burger and nuggets and fries.
Okay. And then the regular offerings.
And the regular day today is this patty juice. That's my early morning routine.
Yeah.
So I wake early in the morning at 6. I go out by 6:30. I get here back by 7. Start selling patties.
Okay. Possible, but alright. And surprise. Oh, did we mention that she also sells liquor?
Oh.
So there's that component too. So she has juice and liquor. This is our little warehouse section around here. You know? She has her Magnum and her beer and her Campari, Malta, Red Stripe, the whole works. So if you want, and by the way, I didn't name the community. The community is called Nannyville Gardens. That's off Mountain View Avenue. It's an inner city community, but me I tell you the vibes down here, nice. The people, nice and friendly. Ooh.
Alright, so.
Out of the way.
Alright.
So Raquel, what you cooking over there?
Actually, I'm going to make a little curry chicken for myself. So
For yourself? So
Yeah.
that's not for sale?
I know.
Alright, so curry chicken for me and you.
Oh
then.
yeah.
Can work with that. But you know what I like about your operation? I like the fact that it's clean. You know,
Yes.
even though the space small, you still keep it clean and tidy, so you know when you're getting the food, it's clean food.
clean.
You know, sometimes you go some places and the place just nasty. But that's,
You know me, I love to clean.
yeah, I know. Stay like 5 times a day.
Yeah. I'm a clean freak.
I said this person had a panini with fries.
Panini with fries.
Oh my God. Because so I have the panini from Starbucks. Okay, the shop getting full of money. More people here.
I'm waiting on the fries. 400 for panini.
400 for the panini and how much for the fries?
150.
This is so exciting to me. The seeing everything behind the scenes and how it takes place. This is a mini Burger King, KFC, Island Grill. I have Starbucks, everything in one. I'll say clean up and go again.
Yeah.
Like that.
Clean and go.
Yeah. So Raquel, how the liquor sales going?
Sometimes up, sometimes down. It depends.
Mm-hmm.
Not every day is a good day with liquor, but
Mm-hmm.
it depends.
Okay. And I know that on Sundays,
I have ice cream.
Yes, and
Sunday
ice
is my ice cream day. I don't do any cooking at all.
mm-hmm.
Some people like to come and ask, but I can't manage ice cream and cooking.
Okay, so it's strictly ice cream.
So it's strictly ice cream on a
on a
Sunday.
Okay. That's good. And it's Devon
Ice cream, I have Domino's ice cream and I have creamy ice cream.
Awesome. So we're making more and more burgers.
We're making burgers now, a chicken and a beef burger.
Okay. Hey, wanna look from Jamaica? You need to find Raquel's shop. Come and support her. She not only know what you're doing, she also have a good personality and a good face.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you.
Other chicken now, I other beef.
Listen, I've been helping out now for about 10 minutes and I am already tired. So I can just imagine what Raquel goes through every day to do this. It is a lot of work, and it's a small space, so you're in the kitchen, so it is hot. But to do it, for make a living and to do it for the passion of it is just amazing that she's able to do that, and the people of the community love her for it, and they get to get something different, because usually a lot of the inner city communities have boxed food like what I showed with fry some weeks ago. But then when mixed up with a panini, with a burger, with sandwiches, nuggets and fries and hot dogs and these other things, people appreciate that, and at least people have options of things to eat, so that's really good. So she's still in the back working, and I'm here relaxing. I really should be helping, but we're there. I'm gonna buy a juice soon and just go and chill out. So
She know that. You just pay my bill a while ago. Just pay my bill. I have to good for your work. You remember that? So it's a good look, I hope it bigger and better next year. Because as I say, we're in next year already.
yeah.
So hope it bigger and better next year.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Big up yourself.
Alright, and this way then.
Alright, so now we're in the other section of the shop. This is where the front end of the shop, where if you guys come, this is where you would see Raquel mostly. Earlier we were in the kitchen, and now we're in the shop. So she sell pretty much everything, every little thing I can think of, right?
Every little thing.
Every little thing. But before we get into what she sells and what she does, I want to introduce you guys to a program being put on by the Ministry of Education. It's called Own Your Own Device Initiative, and that is where they are donating 20,000 Jamaican dollars to eligible students to go towards a tablet. So go on the Ministry of Education's website, look for the Own Your Own Device Initiative, sign up for it once you qualify. When you qualify, you will get an email, or they call you to receive your 20,000 Jamaican dollar voucher. Then you take that voucher to purchase a device from Smart Mobile Solutions. You can get a tablet that is a minimum spec tablet, or you can add some more money to that $20,000 and get a much better spec tablet. But whatever you want, they have it, so just visit them and do that. And I think this is a very good initiative, right?
It is.
That the ministry has undertaken, and then Smart Mobile also undertake to provide the tablets. I think that's so cool. So, because we know that people really need the tablets, and I've done some giveaways in some of the videos, but we can only give us so much, and thankfully the ministry is giving away some too. So just go and collect your voucher. If you know somebody that qualifies, if you have an auntie, uncle, cousin, sister that have a child going to a school that qualifies, send them over there to go sign up for it so that they can get the $20,000 voucher. Cool? Alright, so let's do a little tour now of the shop.
Okay.
So take us around.
Okay.
I'm going to pretend to be a customer. Serve!
How may I help you, Rochielin?
What do you have inside for me today?
Well, today, you know about the burger and the panini already.
Yeah.
So I won't even mention that. Well,
Yeah.
for fasting, you can get $100 cornflakes with
Yeah.
milk, whichever you choose, frosted Cheerios or mixed frosted with Cheerios.
Okay, that doesn't
Okay.
sound bad.
On the other hand, if you want a snack, something to munch and something sweet,
Yeah.
you can get one of those pineapple cakes, half and half.
Oh, this.
Yes.
And you have raisin
Half
cake.
raisin, half and half, coconut bread. I
Yeah.
have raisin bran bread. I have cheese bread.
You
If
know,
you-
to say
and
I
then
have-
you can even get a cup of tea if you like. You have coffee, Milo tea,
Yeah.
and then I have Cersei, ginger, you name it.
And then down here, so now me see you have.
So look here, no man, is one stop and get all when you're ready.
Yeah.
You know?
Because me I see pants and
Yes,
deodorant,
yes.
makeup, crayon, shoes.
You name it. Here I have cookies, oatmeal and chocolate cookies.
Remember, you have every little thing though, Raquel.
So
I love that.
you need something to drink. I have regular box drinks,
Yeah.
small soda, big soda.
All kind of things.
I have milk there.
Okay, so come around here, so now. Alright, so this is the ice cream fridge.
So this is ice cream. So this is my ice cream fridge.
What flavor?
Here I have pistachio and I have grape nuts. I have chocolate swag and cookie and cream.
Nice. And there are some little
So,
cake and milk and thing and thing.
I have cake and milk on this side. So here I have my novelties.
Novelties
So,
meaning icicles.
Icicle, ice cream cake, fudge, ice cream sandwich, Big Dipper, you name it.
Oh, okay. So I noticed you have your company registration up there, sir.
Yeah.
And your fabulous menu.
I'm a fabulous kitchen menu.
And your fabulous menu
And that's
up top.
not my old menu from we just started.
Yeah.
So all the things are much now higher than that price.
Okay, so you need to adjust this, eh?
So
Okay.
yeah, that's
And you said,
pretty
and
much.
usually you will have your patty over
usually I
here.
will have my patty in here, but patty is all done.
Okay. But you're going
Patty
on
is from
right
7 to about 10:30, 11.
Okay. And this is your little helper?
Yes, this is my little help here, Mikhail.
Okay, say hi.
Yes. She's shy.
Yeah, that's fine. We notice you have a Red Bull.
So I have my Red Bull cooler right there.
Okay,
Yes, so I sell a little liquor. So there I have my rum and my Campari in here now.
Oh, you have another
Back
fridge.
around. So there you can get your Red Stripe, your Dragon, your Guinness, your Heineken, Malta, Red Stripe flavored beer, and the list goes
All
on.
of your hard liquor.
Yes.
Yeah, and just to know, seeing that we're under curfew, 8 o'clock and Andrew said, liquor sales stop at 6. Liquor sales stop at 6, right?
I would hope so.
Right?
Right.
All right. Yeah, so this is basically it. So
This is it.
how has sales been like, especially now during the pandemic?
During the pandemic, it basically slows down because I used to do much better, even when it was 10 o'clock. But now it's gone to 8, so you know,
mean
people,
the curfew time?
the curfew time, you know, so it went down drastically. So
Yeah, that's a forgotten.
yeah, so but we
Check it,
still
check it.
have to go on, and life goes on, and we have bills to pay. So
We still have to do
I
what we
still have to
do.
thank God. Yeah,
Yeah,
it could be worse.
yeah.
Yeah.
In all things,
So,
we have to give thanks,
yeah,
you know, because we know it affects a lot of people. And thankfully,
Yeah.
we still have life.
We still have life,
still
but
have
we're
health.
here breathing. So
Exactly, exactly. How, so tell me now, in the community, dance and so still keep?
no, we can't have any party right now.
Yeah,
That is another thing.
that's another thing. I
Yeah.
remember you used to do the domino
I
competition.
still- right.
You can't
I
get
used
to
to
do
have
that.
the boom domino competition,
Yeah.
you know. So right now we have to hold off on everything.
Okay.
So
So right now, but you need to start the delivery.
yes, I
That would
should
be-
think about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But guys, if you're ever like in the community or nearby, stop by. Come get a panini, come get a burger, come get
Get the
a
nuggets and
nuggets
fries.
and fries, come get your liquor, come get your drinks, come get your, Price Smart donut and cookie and the whole thing. It's Nannyville Garden.
Ice cream. You never know.
Yeah.
And your creamy ice cream.
And for reference, if you don't know where this is where Ding Dong come from. So for those of you who don't know Nannyville, because of Ding Dong, it's the same corner that's in the C9 pictures here. Same place. And that's from Oxford Raquel. Right?
Sure.
She's like, sure. Alright, so we're just gonna vibe. I will say what else, but thank you for watching in case this is the end of the video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow us on all social media pages at Rochielin. And I'll see you in the next one. Or maybe I'll see you after this cook. Who knows?